This is Xiaomi Sport Action Camera TV. Let me see unboxing for it. This is the camera, and open the picture. This is USB cable. It's a cable. There are no Mi logo on the USB cable. If we got the Mi logo on the USB cable, it's fake. A battery we put in. Now this is video. This is a menu. It is only English menu now. Now we can see this one. Let me show you it. You can throw it when you use it. And this is this one. This one is power. And switch model from TV to camera. This three light here. This is TV model. Three light. This is three light. This is one light, two. One light. This is microphone. This Wi-Fi. Let me open it. You can see this is micro USB. This is micro HDMI port. Let me out it, down it, down. This is HDMI port. This is micro USB charge. We can charge it from here. Charging signal. This is the LED. There are three colors. One is red, purple, and blue. If it's blue, that's the power capacity is over 50%. If less 50% to 15%, it is purple color. If we show red color, it is less 50% power. Now we can see it is over this purple. Purple color means over 15%, less than 50%. Now let me see this TF card slot. This TF card only support class C10, class C10. Must be class C10 TF card. If you know less than C10, that's the TF card will be not used. This is the holder screw. And this Wi-Fi power button. This is take a picture or take video TV picture button. And let me see this way. This is battery. 1000 battery. 1000 battery. AZ13 made in China battery. Yeah, 1010 mAh capacity. You can see very good. Just here. Okay, let me put in Xiaomi xiaomi camera, sport camera. Okay, this is unboxing. For this one, close it.